Hi guys, how are you today? We're going to do something a little different. I'm going to take those two red truck panels that you see in the back there, and I am going to turn them into a pretty Christmas tabletop display. And I'm going to do that by sharing my link in the description box below of the one that I did last year. So here it is with Christmas lights on. There's a little bit of a glare, but I want to show you what it looks like with the lights on, and I'm going to show you what it looks like with the lights off. It's so pretty. This doesn't do it justice. It is so pretty sitting on your table. But I'm going to show you how to put the two panels together and what's inside holding everything up. I'm going to show you how to construct the whole truck, and then you can decorate it however you want. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to put the link down in my description box. Just click on the link and it'll take you to my video from last year. And I hope you give me a big thumbs up for this. I think it's a pretty cool idea and it's really cute. And there's Rudolph. And Santa Claus is giving a big wave before he sets off down the road with his Christmas trees. Okay, here it is without the lights glaring. Let me show you from up top. Put all these trees from the Dollar Tree in here. So I hope you guys give it a try and enjoy it like I do. And I wanted to show you how I made it look distressed. So I show you that in the video also. You can see on the wheels or the rims over here. So I hope you guys enjoy this link and the video that comes along with it and give it a try. I want to thank you so much for watching. And for all my subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. And if you're not yet a subscriber, I hope you will be. We're coming up on 1,000. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. And enjoy my pretty girl here. Is she a good girl? Is she a pretty girl? Is she a pretty girl? Is she a pretty girl? Yes, she's a pretty girl.